Dr. Buddhacharan Das is the chairman of Bodhisattva Foundation, Bangkok, Thailand. He is an exponent of yoga and a scholar of Buddhism. He is committed to bringing peace to the world and is supporting the mission of Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad.
Simple. Now I'll share with you there's 7 different worlds in our life, 7 different stages of our conscious mind. Right now you're sitting here, your waking state, you're thinking, listening, analyzing, and after you go home, you go to sleep. That's a sleep state, a different quality of perception. You're still thinking, but different way of life. That's also life, sleeping. And then you dream. These 3 states is Maya, is not truth. That which is not. Maya means that which is not. But the intellect, the ahankara, or the man taking this is real. So let's continue on. And until you go to Turiya, the 4th state, we call transcendental consciousness, Turiya, then you become simple. That's the word simple I used earlier. You come to this room, you're simple. You don't mind what's going on, you're simple. And that's the basis of growing into higher state of realization. Without this experience of simplicity, no matter how many books you read or what a PhD you got, you're not going to be happy. Because you know that there's some more. Why? Why we always go for more? Because behind us, there's a force of evolution. You're here to be perfect. The force of evolution will never let you go astray unless something else happens. You want to go higher. Today you will have a bachelor's degree, tomorrow you think of master's degree. Today you have one house, tomorrow you want a palace. This is nothing wrong. What's wrong is you are not connected with dharmic lifestyle. Dincharya, acharya, brahmacharya, and then Vedcharya. This is what I think we together we can share this wisdom to the whole world. Now when you're on the 4th state, you're simple. Now when you start to realize you have more than just furniture at the wall, you are more simple. You're in cosmic consciousness. Your individual expand now. Dukh nahi. When you're cosmic, you don't have any influence of your past karma. The past karma is on the surface like the waves. No? When you become the ocean, waves cannot disturb you. Past karma is just the ocean. That's just the waves, like this. Now, why the ocean is creating waves? Why is waves on the ocean? Because of this smriti. The smriti. Force of evolution make this smriti. You have to work. So waves come and go. And that in that wave, there's a smriti, a memory of energy. This is what modern science interests on. The energy. How's the energy come? What is this? And this energy or the sound becomes rupa, form. This is how you create it. So based on the memory of the waves, and these waves have a memory of the ocean, Brahm. The ocean is like Brahm. Through my teacher, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, this vision is become clearer and clearer every day. And that's why I want to come here and die in this land.